Hi, in this video, we're going to see how to search for and apply for any jobs on LinkedIn. So, this is why you basically have a LinkedIn account, right? This is one of the most popular reasons why people build their LinkedIn profiles. So, just click on jobs, this briefcase icon at the top of your screen, and this is the page you would be directed to. Some jobs are already in here, recommended for you based on your search history and your profile. So because I'm into writing, so here a creative writer internship, there a technical writer job is available, and you could just see any of these if you like, and just click on these here, for example, and then you would just click on apply, and here you can have your profile shared, or you could disable this option if you like. It is shared with the job poster, so in usual circumstances you would of course have it shared because you want the recruiter to see as much about you as you like. And then since I'm just demonstrating it to you, I'll just untick this option and I'd click on continue, and I would be redirected towards this external website where I would just fill in the form or any instructions which are provided to me on that website, and I just close it for now. So this is one way. A better way to do it is that you actually just click on search in here, and as you can see, here are all the jobs in my country right now. So there are over 5,000 in here, and this is where filters come in. Now of course I'm not going to just scan through all of these 5,000 jobs because it is going to be extremely laborious. So this is where my filters come in. Here, for example, I realize that I'm just an amateur. I'm not a very experienced person when applying for jobs. So maybe I should just look for an entry level job or maybe an internship. So these are the two options that I would tick. And now I would click on show results. And suddenly from those 5,000, we are here to less than 2,700. So then once again, I'll see if any of these is good enough for me. And then I would just click on that particular job, and then I could click on the profile which I just did, and here I could see the company profile in here, and here are their job openings. I could just click on this and then I could apply. Let me go back to my jobs. Okay, now let's see some other filters. So now let's say that we want to apply for a job which has been posted fairly recently. Because what happens is that sometimes any job poster might have posted the job, and they would have forgotten to remove it. So it would still be there. So I just want to apply for something which has just cropped up. So let's say that I would just select this option, past 24 hours, which would show me the most recently posted jobs, and here only 148 results. You see, this is how filters narrow down all your options. So now I have filtered out only those jobs which have these two experience levels and which were posted in these last 24 hours. And then I could select the job type as well if I like. Let's say I don't want to work full time, I just want to work part time or on a temporary basis or on a contract basis, whatever I want to choose. I just click on that, click on those options, and then I would click on show results. Here only 13 remaining. So you see, we just narrowed it down from 5,000 to 10. In fact, yeah, three more have been removed because of the additional filter. And then I could choose this option, remote, which is there if I do not actually want to sit in the office of that company. I just want to work from my own home. I would just click on remote, and from those 10 now, wow, these are really narrowing down. And then I could also choose easy apply. What easy apply does is, let me show you. Okay, only 5 results now. Now let's say I'm just applying for this particular job. If I click on easy apply here, this would allow me to complete my whole application on LinkedIn. I would not be redirected towards any external websites unless it is specified in some later stage. I would just fill in my whole application from LinkedIn itself. I'm just entering a dummy number in here, and then I would click on next, and then I'd upload my resume and all that. Well, it's fairly simple and straightforward. And once you've done that, I'm just closing this because I'm just demonstrating it to you, right? I'm not actually applying for something. Once you've done that, of course, your whole application is properly processed by the company and they'll see if you're suitable. Here, you could also, add any particular companies which you feel would satisfy all these conditions as well. But they are the companies you want to work for. So, for example, if I want to work for Jazz, I would just search it up in here, Jazz here, and like that has come up in my filters as well. Or let's say there are any other companies which I'd like uh to be added in here, say Telenor. So here I just click on Telenor and these two filters are added, and then I click on search results. Okay, zero results now because I've become a bit too specific. But you can always reset your filters by clicking on reset. Or what you can also do is just click on all filters in here, and then you can manage everything from here. Because I've become so specific, I'd maybe remove these two filters, or maybe this filter, and maybe change this one to past week instead of past 24 hours, and then click on show results. And here are 8 results as well. So this is how you play around with your filters. What you can also do is, if you want to search for a particular company itself, just search for maybe the name of the company. Let's say Telenor in my case. Just click on Telenor. And well, Telenor is not offering any jobs right now which I may be interested in with these filters. But if I clear these filters, then yes, I've got these few jobs I could apply for. I would just click on apply, and I would be redirected towards this external page and so on. So this is what I could do if I want to search for a specific company name. It could be Telenor, it could be Amazon. Well, it could be literally any company you are interested in, and then you can click for it. Or maybe you could search by location as well if you want to. Uh, Pakistan, or where specifically, where in Pakistan, or maybe some other city or other country. Well, you're free to do so. Let's say I search for something in New York. There you go. If I just click on New York, here, oh my god, almost 300,000 results in New York. So I could like go for any particular company in New York. I would now apply these filters and see my results being narrowed down. So this is how you apply for jobs on LinkedIn. It is not a difficult process. You're free to specify your own particular preferences on LinkedIn using these filters, and this is not a very hectic process because you just need to choose whatever you like, and these filters would do the rest for you. They would just narrow it down, and you could apply for the ideal company of your choice.